First go to browser and check your address. Then go to Settings, select More Settings option. Now select VPN option. Press Add VPN Network button. Now, let's fill the manual VPN address details. Go to Type Settings and select L2TP IPsec/CPSK. Go to Name and type Cactus VPN space L2TP. Type server addresses in one cactus.com. If you want other country VPN, then choose other server address. Then type Hey, IP key as Cactus VPN. Fill the username as WFAHBUNE. And password is KRWFSGGA. Select Remember option and save it. Now connect the VPN and check on your address. Congratulations, your IP address is changed. Thanks for watching our video and don't forget to subscribe.